Hey, welcome back. So today I'm going to teach you how to make some lamb and potato curry. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell button down below to catch all the latest videos as they come out. Watch out for this, guys. For the lamb curry, we need 5 potatoes, peeled and chopped up into nice sized pieces, a handful of curry leaves, a teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of garlic and ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of garam masala, 1 onion finely diced, 1 kilogram of meat. Then we have cinnamon and cardamoms to add flavor to the oil. Then we have a masala. Masala we're going to use about half a cup, but you can add or subtract depending on how hot you want your masala. First part, what we're going to do, we're going to put our pan on the stove, medium heat, half a cup of oil, 1 handful of curry leaves, cardamom pods, and our cinnamon sticks to flavor the oil. So we're going to let that simmer for a little bit, and then we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. Now that our oil has been flavored with the curry leaves, cardamom pod and cinnamon stick, now it's time to add in the onions. We're going to simmer the onions for a little bit until it's nice and golden brown, and then we're going to continue. Now our onions are nice and golden brown, we are going to add in all our dry ingredients. And we're going to cook that for a few minutes, and thereafter we're going to put in our meat. So what you're gonna do is make sure that your onions are cooked nicely, and then you're gonna coat every single piece of meat in the flavor that we've created now. Now that we've mixed the meat, we're going to let it cook for a few minutes until we see oil comes to the surface. Then we're going to mix it again. We're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of salt, mix it again, add half a cup of water to continue to keep our meat soft. Thereafter, we're going to let it cook for half an hour. And after this, we're going to continue the process and going on to the potatoes. Now it's half an hour later, our meat is cooked, it's nice and soft. What we're going to do, we're going to add another half a cup of water, we're going to add the rest of our potatoes and let it cook for like another 15 minutes. Make sure you mix it properly, seal the lid and let it cook, and then we should be done to eat soon. And there you have it. You should have an amazing lamb and potato curry ready to eat. As you can see, I couldn't wait to show you guys. I actually made it into a bunny. It is actually super delicious, and please try the recipe. Let me know what you think, and let me know how it goes. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell button to see all the latest videos that comes out. Please don't forget to comment and let me know what other videos you'd like me to make. I'll be making a chili bite recipe soon. So enjoy, guys.